New loops, new drum kits, new instrument patches. You'll get all of that and more with the brand new Pom Pom Producer Pack in GarageBand for iOS. Apple has really impressed me with the quality and diversity of their most recent Producer Pack releases. Over the last few months, we've seen some of the best content GarageBand has ever had added, and that trend is set to continue with the new Pom Pom Producer Pack. In this new pack, you will find over 200 Apple loops, 4 new drum kits, 13 instrument patches, and a live loops grid. To grab this new producer pack, make your way to the sound library inside GarageBand, tap on the Pom Pom Producer Pack, then either preview it or hit Get to add it to your sound library. Best known for her work with John Legend, Alicia Keys and Noah Kahan, Pom Pom has packed this release with everything from mellow horns to hyper-pop drum loops and hooky guitar riffs. This pack comes with a new live loops grid, and as ever, giving the arranged loops here a spin is a great way to get a feel for the sounds on offer. We're also getting 4 new drum kits with this producer pack that you can load up as playable kits if you want to manually tap out your own beats. The sampled drum sounds here sound really good, and there is a real emphasis on very usable pop sounds, along with some nice percussion effects. All 4 of the new drum kits come with their own beat sequencer patterns, which range from straightforward chunky patterns to more intricate electro-tinged beats. These drum sounds also sound really good when used with other stock GarageBand beat sequencer patterns, and even those from other producer packs. The 200 plus Apple loops that come with this pack are absolutely fantastic. Just like the loops found in the previous couple of producer pack releases, these are all audio samples, and there's a great selection of instrument sounds here, from top-tier pop trumpet and brass sounds to really usable guitar loops. And some great sounding synths. New instrument sounds are always the most exciting new additions for me when it comes to these new content packs, and the patches that come with the Pom Pom pack do not disappoint. The Twilight Pulses Alchemy patch is worth downloading the pack for on its own. There are some unique synth-based sounds in here too. And some excellent lead sounds as well. And that quality carries through to the rest of the patches. You will almost certainly find the new drum kits, loops and patches in this producer pack useful. The drum kits and instrument patches are a particular standout for me, and the slightly kooky feel to a lot of these sounds makes them stand out from those available in other sound packs. I'd say that regardless of what genre you usually create in, the Pom Pom producer pack is worth downloading and playing around with. There really is something here for everyone. Let me know your thoughts on this new producer pack down in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give that like button a good hard slap on the way past. I really appreciate it. For a deep dive into every other sound and producer pack that's been released over the last few years, watch this next.